I'm Katrina D, and I'm a Materials Management Functional Analyst for SAP.
I'm Nena Tongko, and I'm a Project Manager.
I'm Charmaine Rodriguez Dinglasa, and I'm a Functional Analyst.
I'm Ena Sumonte. I do product design.
I'm Lisa M. Delator, database developer.
I'm Krisha Raimundo. I'm an SAP Functional Analyst.
I really wanted to be a stewardess. Why? Because I want to travel.
To be a singer.
Actually, I wanted to be an actress.
They sent me to the US to attend Oracle World. They sent me to Canada to attend a certain conference. So there are many opportunities in the IT world that would really allow you to attain your dreams.
All of my male titos are engineers, and the greatest dream of my grandpa was to have a female engineer in the family.
2004, there was like so many opportunities for IT, and that when I sought for a job, it's like this opportunity for IT was like business analysis and process analysis. So it's like a perfect marriage of engineering and IT, wherein you don't have to code yourself.
My cousin was already taking up comp-sci at that time, and she was doing successfully in her field. So I thought I wanted to be like her.
I would usually take classes where I'm the only girl in the class. It's really challenging, and then eventually I bested every guy in the class by having the highest grade.
So there are a lot of other facets in IT wherein we girls could really excel in, like requirements gathering, talking to your customers, and delivering what they really want.
For a lot of cases, IT is perceived to replace the people. So with the experiences that we've had in the past years, when you deploy a girl or a woman in gathering requirements, really checking it out, what the problem areas are, and doing stakeholder analysis, it's a more effective strategy sending out women.
We women usually can relate more to them, and like we can understand what they want with the product.
Women tend to bring the soft side of the technology part because, yeah, technology is like a hardcore thing, right?
People would always think that IT deals a lot with computers, but that's not the reality of it. Probably 50% or 40% would mean that you will have to build that particular application. But most of the time, you do a lot of talking to people, validating requirements, a lot of interaction.
I tend to pay attention more to details like
We're more creative in like generating scenarios for testing. Like we cover more of the scenarios, or
We take everything else into account.
Our stress busters are so simple, like a simple mani pede. That's it. That's it. We're okay the next day.
Technical skill is just really one part of it. But being personable, relating yourself to the rest of the people that you'll be working with, that's a very big factor. Like for the case of Nena, being a project manager, diba, you get to deal with vendors, which is would normally come from different parts of the world.
If you know how to speak another language, it's a very big plus.
Right?
Yeah, because when you get to deal with different vendors, if you know Indian, if you know Chinese, it's a very big plus. We also act as customer service representatives.
It's faster for you to see how you affect people, rather than if you're in a different industry. It takes a while for people to understand that type of industry. Here in telco, you release this product, bam, everyone understands it, everyone gets on board, so it's faster.
You get to see that IT is really everywhere. ICT is really everywhere. You go to the public markets, you get to see ICT there. You get to see these boxes that you can load up your cell phone instantaneously. You don't need a person to do it for you. Have toys, real life toys, sophisticated toys that not a regular person can play with. So we've had coloring back tones then. Intelligent networks as early as 2000.
the environment here in Smart is quite young, so it's kind of
Fun.
fun at
Yeah,
the
fun
same
at
time.
the same
Yeah.
time.
And here I am, 15 years in practice. I've been doing IT for the last 15 years of my life. And still, I think I would want to do it pa rin again and again.
It's always growing.
Yeah.
It's always moving in a different direction. You're always experiencing something new.
It's not about developing, but really seeing the difference in the lives of the people.